Crypto.com Crowcoin holders are seeing a little bit of a bounce here. Is this time to be FOMOing in? Or is this going to be a lower high to further downside? We got to be talking about this. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel now. Anything I say in this video is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop into it. I want to start off here and look at Crowcoin on the daily. We saw quite a nice little bounce here off of basically 10 cents on this blue line here. But I will say it was quite short-lived. And when I look at this just on the surface level here, I do expect if we are holding below 12 cents that this is probably going to become another lower high. Now, that being said, I do see some things in the Bitcoin chart that is setting up to potentially a bounce that will continue to the upside. So we're going to take a look at that shortly. But when you're looking at just Crowcoin in a vacuum here, you look at market cipher, the money flow is thick in the red. It's trying to start to curl up a little bit. We have seen buy signals here on the volume, but usually that indicates lower highs are going to be formed, especially when the market is, when the money flow is thick in the red. But I would not be surprised to see a little bit of a bounce here, maybe even a bounce above 12 cents. So I think that 12 cents is a very, very important price level to be paying attention to in the immediate short term. But what I'm doing right now is I'm still short, guys. My Crowcoin short is still up 630%. I'll show it to you here shortly. Over on Twitter, I said update on the Crow short. It's still about 613% of the profit. Follow me through 3 Blacksea, guys. I'm very active over there, and I try to just, guys, kind of keep you in the know of where my head's at in this market, and I try to make some people laugh because sometimes that's what I like to do. I try to, at least. But now, you look at this. Right now, over on Blowfin, I'm about $1,020 in the profit on this short. I've been short for probably over, we can measure, when I started shorting around here, which was probably, October, late October, October 28th. So it's been almost a full month at this point, and I'm going to continue to have this short open, even though I do expect potentially a bounce to occur here. And if you guys do want to trade with me and you want access to our private Discord, check out in the pinned comment section or description box below. Sign up to Blowfin, guys. You get a $5,000 sign bonus as well as access to our private Discord. And right now, there's a promotion going on with, if the more trading volume you do, you get more rewards, and you can get a Rolex worth about $10,000. So feel free to check that out. All you have to do is click the link down below. They're all affiliate links, so help support this channel, and there's a lot of lucrative bonuses, so it's win-win for you guys. And after you sign up to Blowfin, you get access to our private Discord, so check it out. Now, Bitcoin on the daily, looking at Heiken Ashi on the daily time frame. Heiken Ashi candles here. I think that there's definitely a opportunity here for a little bit of a bounce. I think I would be expecting that. I would. And you're also seeing on market cipher a green dot on volume on the daily time frame, and you see the money flow is still thick in the red here, but RSIs are trying to get a little bit of a bounce here, and I would not be surprised. Let's look at normal candles here outside of Heiken Ashi. You can see that we're starting to get a little bit of a green candle. You know, this is on the news of bullish NVIDIA earnings. It's so funny. Everyone's just looking for something to blame price action on, but the NVIDIA earnings were good. The stock market was rallying, and now people are saying, well, now Bitcoin's going to start rallying as well. Yeah, maybe we see a little bit of a bounce here, but let's not get too excited as long as we're below 94,000, in my opinion. But I would like to argue that I do expect a bounce. Like, this does look like it's starting to bottom out a bit, but it's a little bit too soon to tell. Like, anybody that's trying to say the bottom is in, they're just guessing, to be completely frank with you guys. But I would say that there is some curvature here forming, and when you look at market cipher as well, there's some curvature on the money flow, and you have green buy signals on the volume. Potentially, we could be bottoming out, but you look at the weekly as well. The weekly is a little bit more suspect, if you will. I mean, we tested 88,000. I want to show you guys Heiken Ashi to kind of give you guys. I like to use Heiken Ashi because you kind of see the trend a little bit better, and it skews market cipher a little bit better. The money flow is still coming down. The RSIs are still aimed straight down, and market cipher, the momentum wave is still in the light blue. It has not yet to clip into the dark blue. I think that any bounce from here that is below, I would say really below 94,000, is going to be a lower high. And I would even argue that any low below basically $100,000 is going to be a higher low and probably a short opportunity, guys. I believe in the 4-year cycle, and I do expect some volatility. I do expect if you believe in the 4-year cycle, we are in a bear market. And I do think that, yeah, you can have bounces, but I think that calling for new all-time highs is pretty premature. Even if you do see a close near $100,000, I think you need to be seeing really man, I would say over 116,000 before you could even start to talk about a new leg higher. And that's possible, sure, but I'm not gonna. I'm putting my money where my mouth is in, guys. I am shorting altcoins. I think the next bounce will probably be a good short opportunity. That's not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys what to do. I'm just telling you guys how I am navigating these markets. And I will also add that my short positions are not massive, multi-6-figure, 7-figure short positions. No, they are just some high leverage scalping because I'm trying to get some switch. I think that there could be some more volatility. I think that there could be a big bounce coming, and really on that next big bounce, I'm going to be keeping my eyes open for a much larger short position because I do think that we'll probably look for setting in a new lower high. But that's all I got, guys. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Are you bearish on the market? Are you guys trading? Are you sitting on your hands? I want to know what you guys are doing. I will also add, I'm still buying Bitcoin every single day, baby, because I believe in Bitcoin. But the altcoins, the trade setups are too good to pass up on, so I have to short them, have to make some extra profit so I can accumulate more Bitcoin. But I don't know what you guys are doing. Check out all the awesome affiliate links down below. Like the video, sign up to Blow and get access to our private Discord. Say hi to Kip and I. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.